Welcome back, friends, and in this video I am going to tell you how to set pattern lock, pin lock, password lock on MI phones. This is Xiaomi 11T Pro phones, but this will be applicable for other MI phone also, and you can also apply this on Android phones also. So not wasting much of your time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the setting and just go below and set and search password and security code there. Here three four options are there. Just go to the screen lock, draw your pattern. If you have already set it this, then you have to draw it. Now change screen lock, pin and password. Here you can see that current is pattern. Then touch on the pattern. Remember, it is giving an alert that remember your screen lock. If you forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device, including photos and contacts. Got it? Now set pattern, again set pattern, confirm. So I have changed this set pattern, but if you want to change anything any other, then enter the pattern. Now you can also set the pin also. How? Just got it, pin. Now you can see, suppose I am, this is between 8 to 14 I think, so I will go up to the 9, continue, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now this has been set it, but you can also change to the password also. Here I have given just so password. Here also you can set the password. So this is the procedure by which you can set the screen locks. You can change the screen locks by pattern, pin and passwords. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.